They really worked hard getting me all the way to Australia, down under. So just to give you a bit of context, I won't bore you with a long speech, but I'll give you 3 reasons why you should consider Andhra Pradesh as your destination in India. Number 1, we have a leadership with proven track record. Our Premier, Mr. Naidu, is now in version 4.0. This is his 4th term as a Chief Minister. He comes with a lot of experience on how to get critical projects grounded. His experience working with Government of India also helps ensuring that you have a soft landing in not only in India but in the state of Andhra Pradesh. He is of course backed with a very young team. 50% of the legislatures are first-timers, 17 out of the 25 ministers are first-timers. It's not my grey hair, but I'm actually a senior minister in his cabinet. So we bring a lot of passion, a lot of energy to get things done. The second reason you should consider Andhra Pradesh is because we are a startup state. We have that mentality to get things done. We are not complacent. And once you shake hands with us, it no longer is your project, it becomes our project. So I'll give you an example of this. When we talk to any investor and they're looking at Andhra Pradesh, first thing that gets done is a WhatsApp group gets created. All the respective leadership across the political spectrum, the government and the private sector are added to this WhatsApp group. And then on a daily basis, we actually start interacting with each other to understand what's the status, what's the agreed timelines, where are we stuck, what are the areas that we can do better. You know, one company, and one example of this is one company which is into the hospitality sector. This morning we updated them where exactly is the land allocation status, where is the file, and by when are we going to get it cleared. So we believe on delivering it. We believe on following up on your project and ensuring that we not only meet your timelines, but we actually beat it. So 2 other projects I'd like to talk about. One is Google. And all of you have now heard of it. It's a nice wow, but 13 months of hard work went behind it. So when the leadership came, I personally drove them, I showed them where the project will come up, followed by me visiting the corporate office and pitching to their leadership on why Andhra Pradesh, followed by their leadership coming and meeting our Premier in Andhra Pradesh. And there were specific requests which required policy intervention, policy changes at the federal level. And we worked with the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, we worked with our Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman Madam and the IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnav ji, and we brought about the changes that were required